Every powerful movement begins with a message. Whether you're a student hoping to raise awareness about climate change or an advocate addressing mental health, a compelling public service announcement, PSA, can be your megaphone. But how do you go from a big idea to a message that sticks, resonates, and moves people? It all begins with clarity. Before you film anything, ask yourself, what change do you want to inspire? The most effective PSAs are laser-focused. Pick one issue, one message, and one audience. From there, identify the emotion you want to spark. Do you want to motivate? Shock? Educate? Once you have your purpose, craft your script. Think of it like storytelling. Create a narrative with a beginning, middle, and end. Start with a hook that captures attention in the first 5 seconds. Then present the problem and end with a clear, actionable solution or thought-provoking question. Keep it short and powerful. Under 1 minute is ideal for most platforms. Now, choose your format. Will your PSA be a live-action video, animation, or slideshow with voiceover? Your style should align with both your message and audience. Use visuals that are bold, clear, and emotionally charged. Music can also set the tone. Just make sure you have rights to any soundtrack you use. When it's time to film, think production quality without perfectionism. Use natural lighting, steady shots, and clear audio. You don't need expensive equipment. A smartphone and free editing software like CapCut or iMovie can get the job done. Then edit with intention. Cut out anything that doesn't support your message, add subtitles for accessibility, and include your organization or campaign name. Finally, consider where and how you'll share your PSA. Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or school assemblies all are great platforms. Amplify it through hashtags and community shares, ready to create something that can shift minds or spark change. What issue would you spotlight if you could reach the world with a single minute?